Hi, my name's Emilio, and I went to Yavapai College, and I now work at Superior Industries in Prescott Valley. We build a lot of stuff that goes towards conveying, a lot of welding, building a lot of small parts, and mining equipment and stuff like that. It normally keeps us pretty busy throughout the day building the parts and welding out stuff. I've had a pretty good experience here. So you can walk up to anybody here and ask a question, and they'll tell you. They're nice. They'll show you, where to go and what to do. One of the most exciting things for me is when I build something off of a blueprint and it's welded right, and I get to see it being put on by assembly. It's just awesome knowing that I welded on it. It's a sense of accomplishment, knowing that my welds are going to be on something that's going to do some work and be reliable. I love this place. Yavapai College was a good experience. I had a good teacher, which helped out a lot. All the stuff you're being taught, 2G welding, 3G, all the different positions, they prepare you for a lot of this stuff. Everything transitioned very well, and all the classes I took really helped with all of that. I had an awesome experience there. If I can give any advice, definitely C-Tech. If you're lost and you don't know what to do, and I would say pick up a trade. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty, and don't be afraid to learn new things. Welding is always going to be here. You're always going to need someone to weld, and it's a good thing to do. You learn how to build stuff, and it's a good trade.